Are you wondering what the best dash cams are for this year? If so, stay tuned, because by the end of the short video, you'll know exactly which one to choose. We're going to check out the 5 best dash cams on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the product shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. At number 5 is the Yi Smart Dash Cam. If you've never heard of Yi before, then you're in for a treat. Yi is a subsidiary of the Chinese tech giant Xiaomi. So it's safe to say when it comes to Yi cameras, you're onto a winner. On the build quality front, although the camera is very light, it doesn't feel flimsy and has already survived a few drops successfully. One drawback you might find is that the mount has a permanent 3M adhesive pad rather than a suction cup, but third-party suction mounts are available on Amazon. Setup is very straightforward and takes a few minutes. After installing the 3M sticky mount, route your 3.5-meter micro USB cable around your car. Plug in your power socket into the cigarette lighter, and you're ready. In addition, to view back your footage, you have 2 options. You can either remove the memory card and watch via your laptop, or the easier option is via the Yi app. Simply download the app and connect to your dashcam via Wi-Fi to view and download your videos to your smartphone. Feature-wise, the Yi Smart Dash Camera features a high-end video processor with 1080p 60 frames per second H.264 video recording. In order to reduce blind spots, the Yi Smart Dash Camera uses a 165-degree ultra-wide-angle all-glass lens, which can monitor 3 lanes comfortably. Additionally, night vision is a key indicator of a dash camera's performance, and this camera's image sensor guarantees excellent night vision. With a pixel density 44% greater than 1080p, the Yi Smart Dash Camera produces images clearer than you can imagine for anything the road may throw at you. Moving on, this system also features G-Sensor technology that allows the camera to automatically save footage in the events leading up to a collision and immediately after, so you have a record of the incident for insurance disputes or other purposes. Overall, this is a great option for drivers who are on a budget and looking for a reliable and well-built dashcam that won't break the bank. It records clear footage of the road in front and has an easy-to-use app where you can quickly view back your footage. We highly recommend you check it out. At number 4 is the Wheel Witness Dashcam HD Pro Plus. The Wheel Witness HD Pro Plus is a heavy-duty dashcam that's ideally suited to the needs of van and truck drivers, especially those who drive for a living. It's plug-and-play, so once you insert a micro SD card, all you need to do is plug your Wheel Witness HD Pro dashcam into your cigarette lighter outlet, and it will start recording automatically. Moreover, it's GPS-enabled, so you can follow your video alongside a Google Maps screen. Plus, the dashcam's extra wide-angle lens allows you to capture absolutely everything you see in front of your vehicle. We must mention the continuous loop recording feature. The HD Pro starts recording automatically, and once the micro SD card is full, it automatically deletes the oldest file and replaces it with a new material. How cool is that? This function allows you to have fully automatic and continuous playback, which we really liked. As for performance, the Sony Exmor IMX322 CMOS sensor, coupled with a real 6-glass precision lens, allows the HD Pro Plus dashcam to record crystal clear in both day and nighttime, giving full high-definition recording and exceptional nighttime vision performance. In addition, it also comes with a 4x zoom, a feature that's not common in the dashcam world, and you can zoom in even when the device is recording. This function really makes it easy to zoom into a license plate and helps you protect yourself. Smartphone connectivity comes standard on this dashcam. Motorists can use an app compatible with Apple and Android devices to wirelessly transfer the files instantaneously, so you can share online or have video proof on your phone, which is usually a big fail for dashcams at this price point. Alternatively, you can also insert the micro SD directly into your computer and transfer the files. To conclude, this robust set of features makes the Wheel Witness Dashcam HD Pro Plus an electronic co-pilot you can mount to your windshield, and one that won't disappoint for any driver who wants to protect themselves on the road. At number 3 is the Garmin Dashcam 55. If you're looking to record a cross-country road trip for posterity, or you need to document your mileage for work or insurance purposes, the Garmin Dashcam 55 gives you the sharpest picture possible in low light or bright conditions. Design-wise, the body of the Dashcam 55 is quality black plastic with a 2-inch LCD screen. The camera is very compact and measures only 2.2 by 1.6 by 0.8 inches WHD. The bronze-textured plastic lens and 4 uniform buttons on the right side give this dash camera a very sleek and modern feel. As for performance, the Garmin 55 relies on voice control. You simply need to say, "Okay, Garmin," to wake up the display screen and show the 4 vocal options: save video, take a picture, record audio, or start travel apps. Each voice control feature worked very well and made important features easily accessible while still remaining hands-free. In addition, a 2-inch LCD shows you what this Dashcam 55 is loop recording as you drive, but it's also keeping an eye on the road ahead to give you an audible forward collision warning if you approach a car too rapidly, a lane departure warning if you veer from your lane, and a go alert if you're stopped and traffic ahead starts moving. Thanks to the built-in GPS, the Dashcam 55 even detects speed and red light cameras on the horizon and gives you a heads up. The quality of the video recorded in daylight is absolutely fantastic and captures each and every detail. With recordings in 1440p, you're able to make out license plates and road signs. Plus, with the Travel Apps feature, you can compile hours of video into a short highlight reel. The cam comes with a 4GB micro SD card, but there's room to upgrade to 64GB for selectable 720p, 1080p, or 1440p if you wish. It's also equipped with built-in Wi-Fi for easy sharing with mobile devices. Overall, the Garmin Dashcam 55 delivers the best of the basic dash camera features, with enough added utility to help it beat out the competition, and we highly recommend you check it out. At number 2 is the Owl Dashcam. The Owl Dashcam calls itself the first security camera for your car, which differentiates this dashcam from other traditional dash cameras by connecting to the internet using 4G. Design-wise, the two-way camera plugs into your car's onboard diagnostics port. Every car built after 1996 has one, and takes just a few minutes to set up. The camera tucks right in between the dashboard and windshield. Once it's hooked up, you can access your car's camera anytime via the Owl mobile app. On to performance. The specs for this camera are decent. It only records at 30 frames per second and at maximum of 1440p, with a live view recording at 480p. This seems low at first glance, but the Owl is pretty much the only dash camera on the market today that can provide any sort of live 24/7 visual footage of your car. And the 64GB of memory stores up to 18 hours of footage. In addition, another feature is triggered when you say, "Okay, presto." This signals the camera to save a short clip and send it to the connected phone, so the user doesn't have to root through 24 hours of footage to find it. Moving on, when you park, the Owl will watch for motion and send an alert to your phone when someone approaches or tries to enter your car. Even as an intruder approaches, they will see the flashing green LED on the top of the camera begin to flash brighter and let them know they are being tracked, which acts as a great deterrent. Once you receive an alert of a break-in or motion from your car camera, you can open the app to see a live view of the interior and exterior, which we found really assuring. To conclude, if you are looking for a security system that goes beyond an annoying alarm, then the Owl Dashcam is a great solution to watch your car on and off the road. It comes highly recommended. At number 1 is the Vantrue N2 Pro. The Vantrue N2 Pro features a dual camera system that records the road and the driver, and includes a microphone for audio. With great quality day and night visuals, we think this might just be the best dashcam yet. Design-wise, the N2 Pro from Vantrue comes with a data cable, a mini USB, car charging cable, and a windscreen mount. Both the camera and the mount have mini USB connectors. There's also a small connector on the mount for attaching the camera to so it can transfer power. As for performance, the Vantrue is the world's first dual Full HD dashcam on the market. The N2 Pro offers road-facing and driver-facing cameras at 1920 by 1080p resolution. The road ahead is captured at an impressive 170 degrees, while the interior of your car is simultaneously recorded at 140 degrees. By default, the camera records at 30 frames per second, but you can tweak the settings for different possibilities. For instance, you can set the road-facing cam to 2560 by 1440p at 30 fps, or leave it at 1920 by 1080p, but increase the frames per second rate to 60 fps, enabling clear capturing of license plates. The cameras also have night vision capability, with an f2.0 6-glass lens with 4 IR LED lights facing the vehicle occupants, and an f1.8 6-glass lens observing the road. HDR video is employed to visually balance nighttime recordings. As well as recording journeys in daytime and at night, the Vantrue N2 Pro will also capture footage of activity around your car when parked. Overall, with dual HD video from front and back cameras, almost 360 degrees of visual coverage, night vision mode, time-lapse mode, the ability to snap stills, and a microphone and speaker, the Vantrue N2 Pro packs a lot of features in a small package. Not to mention the auto-off TFT LCD display, optional GPS, and the easy install. If the Vantrue N2 Pro isn't the best dash cam on the market right now, it's damn close, and that's why it tops our chart. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it useful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this in the future. If you do have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Catch you soon.